Listen up, because this is what nobody's telling you straight. You've hit walls that piss you off every single day. Ideas get stale. Solutions don't scale. And every move feels like pushing through thick mud with weights on your ankles. You're tired of spinning your wheels in the same old mindset that keeps you stuck. You know that the old ways of thinking, linear, rigid, just don't cut it anymore. They don't match the speed or complexity of what you face. You want a leap, not a step. A total upgrade from conventional growth hacks or fixing weaknesses for the 100th time. You're done with shallow self-improvement that barely scratches the surface. The frustration is real. No matter how hard you work, you feel like your brain's got invisible chains tightening around it. What if there was a way, not just to think outside the box, but to rethink the box itself? To stop treating your challenges like puzzles with fixed pieces and start seeing them like a dynamic web where everything is connected and changing all the time. That's what quantum thinking is. Breaking free from simple cause and effect, smashing the if this, then that mindset that's been holding you hostage. You're not just solving problems anymore. You're reprogramming how problems even appear to you. Here's the brutal truth. If you keep looking for growth in the usual places, you'll keep feeling stuck. Quantum thinking forces you to train your brain like a muscle, rewiring it to spot hidden patterns, paradoxes, and possibilities that most people, even experts, miss. It's not magic, it's not hype. It's about shifting your perspective so deep that your decisions, your strategies, and your actions come from an entirely different place. So, how do you get there? First, throw out the idea that logic and linear analysis are enough. Stop answering problems with the same formulas your competitors use. Start practicing uncertainty. Lean into ambiguity instead of fearing it. Get comfortable with ideas that seem contradictory, because truth lives in those uncomfortable spaces. Stop chasing single aha moments. Train to hold multiple viewpoints at once. That mental flexibility is the secret weapon. Second, build habits to break your autopilot. Instead of reaching for solutions immediately, step back and map the entire system around the problem. Ask yourself, what's influencing this? What's shifting underneath? Question every assumption, especially the ones you rely on without thinking. Third, connect dots nobody else connects. Quantum thinking isn't solo work. It demands cross-pollination, getting perspectives from different zones, industries, mindsets. Seek out people who think differently, challenge your beliefs, and add complexity rather than simplify. This is the hardest part because it breaks your natural comfort zone. But without it, your thinking stays shallow and recycled. Fourth, embrace failure as feedback at a quantum scale. Normal failure stings once and you move on. Quantum failure is constant. It flips your entire frame until you learn to dance with it. Stop trying to avoid mistakes. Start chasing them to force growth beyond your current limits. This is how you leap. Last but not least, never settle for small improvements. Quantum thinking shreds incrementalism. It demands you rethink what improvement even means. It's about evolving your mind to work with complexity and paradox so well that you find solutions no one else can see. And then make those solutions reality faster than anyone thought possible. If you're tired of being trapped in the old self-improvement traps, sick of mediocre progress that keeps you frustrated and angry, quantum thinking is not just a tool. It's a survival kit for the future you're supposed to build. You want to stop playing by the outdated rules? Start training your brain to think quantum. Start practicing these habits right now, or stay stuck in the same loop while others pass you by. This isn't for everyone. It's for the few who want to dominate complexity instead of running from it, who are ready to rewire their entire approach and take control of their future on a deeper level. If that's you, dive in. Don't wait. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.